question 5, which says give scientific reasons for the following. Let's take part B. Question 1. Why do people urinate more in winter than in summer? So we can mention during summer, a lot of water is lost from the body in the form of sweat. Therefore, we tend to urinate less frequently. In winter, however, since we don't sweat as much, excess water is lost through urination. And therefore, people urinate more. Done. Question 2. The wooden frame of doors gets jammed in the rainy season due to the process of imbibition. If you remember this, spell that right. Imbibition, B-I-B-I, imbibition. Wooden doors absorb water and swell up. Therefore, they tend to get jammed. In the rainy season. Okay, let's move on to question 3. Question 3 talks about there being enough vitamin A in the food supplement. If you remember, vitamin A deficiency leads to night blindness. So which means vitamin A is required for seeing in the night, which means for the production of rhodopsin, which is present in the rods. So vitamin A is required for the synthesis of rhodopsin pigment of the rods. Without it, a person would suffer from night blindness. Therefore, there should be enough vitamin A in the food supplement. Okay, let's move on. Question 4. Root hairs are unicellular. Root hairs are an extension of the epidermal cells in a root. Therefore, they are unicellular. Basically, what we are saying over here is, unlike stem hairs, they are not separate cells. They are just an extension or an outgrowth of the epidermal cells. Okay, question 5. Raisins swell when put in water. So obviously if they're swelling, water is entering in, which means inside the raisins there's a hypertonic solution. Hypo outside, endosmosis, turgidity. All these words should run into your mind. Word out an answer, then write it down. Raisins swell up when put in water because there is a relatively hypertonic solution within the raisin. Therefore, water enters them by endosmosis, thereby causing them to become turgid and swell up. Okay? That's it for the scientific reasons. Let's move on to the next question.